Hello, Miss Burton. Now, we're going to learn something new called standard form. ax plus by equals c. This is the standard form for the equation of a line. A, b, and c are all integers. And A and b are not both zero. It can never be zero. And a is not negative. So, in an equation, you can never have a negative. It always has to be positive, so you have to manipulate the equation to make it positive. And these cannot be zero. C can, but A and B can't. Let's try to write this equation in standard form. Then we're going to find the intercepts and use them to graph the equation. Alright, now let's find this out. Now, first off, we see the fraction. We can't have that. So we're going to multiply everything by 4. So it's going to be 4x equals 3y plus 12. We're not even close to done, because we still have to put it in standard form. We have our ax, by, and c, and they're all integers, so that's a good start. Alright, we now have all our integers. Now the next step is to put this in standard form. So, we're going to take the 3y and bring it over here to make ax plus by equals c. So it's going to be 4x minus 3y equals 12. Even though it's not ax plus by to equal c, you can still have ax minus by to equal c. Side note. Okay, we have our standard form, but how are we going to find the y-intercept and x-intercept? Easy. To find the y-intercept, all you have to do is let x equal 0. So instead of 4x minus 3 equals 12, it'd be 0 minus 3y equals 12. Okay, and now we can cut this out. Now it's just simple. Y equals -4. Since Miss Burton, I know you're a math freak, I'm going to put this in just in case. Just to let anybody watching this know positively what I did. Divide everything by -4, and boom. There's your y-intercept. We now need to find the x-intercept. So guess what we have to do? Yep, we have to make y equal 0. So we're going to have 4x minus 0 equals 12. Alright, so divide by 4, because we don't have to worry about this part of the problem anymore. It's just 4x equals 12, and then we find x equals 3. And that's our x-intercept. Alright, Miss Burton, we now have our x and y intercept. All that is left to do is graph the line. So, let's use our intercepts and let's get to it. First, let's do the x-intercept. Go to 0 and go over 3. Boom. Next is the y-intercept. Start at 0, go down 4. And there it is. there is our graph line. Thank you for enjoying the video, Ms. Burton. Stay tuned. Now, here is 4x minus 3y equals 12 on a graph. Just to make sure you did it correctly, you can do rise over run. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And that's the slope, like in the beginning of the problem. And boom. That's how you know you did the problem correctly. Thank you for joining this video, Ms. Burton. This equation is now standard formed and on a graph.